All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Shmanjay. The folks over at ThinBorne decided to bless us with a beautiful gift here. It is a gift for the OnePlus 15. This is the cases that they're known for. Their packaging is really cool, isn't it? They put some time into this packaging. I mean, this package, to make this package, it probably costs about 15, 20 bucks. This is like a hard cardboard, almost feels like wood. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this paperwork out of the way because you don't really care about that. Now, the good thing about ThinBorne cases, they typically send a tempered glass out, which is pretty cool. I'm still testing the factory screen protector, so I'm going to save this. But you do get a nice tempered glass. Oh, they're upgrades. Okay, they stepped their game up. So this is a very nice tempered glass from them. So we'll put that aside for now. And let's just put that off to the side right there. Get some branding there. So here is the case. This is the case. The ThinBorne case. And it has that MagSafe technology. You can see that right here. It's a very soft touch on the inside. And this phone scratches really easy, but it wipes off. So you could like take something and scratch it like that. And then it's just going to wipe right off. You can see. So this case will definitely probably scratch it on the edges, but it'll, because it's a snug fit. This is a snug fit case. But you can see here, the material is pretty soft on the inside. It feels just like the outside there. It would be nice to have some kind of padding in here, but I know these are ultra thin cases and you really don't have the room for it. You can see all the ports here, little cutouts there for to get the case on and off. You have to have these little slits. You know, I would think they would have lined these up kind of closer to where the antennas are, but hey, they put them there to get the case on and off easier. You can see the ports on the bottom, open up on this side for the volume rocker, and here's your action switch. That's cool. So let's go ahead and go in this way first. Oh, this goes on very easy. Very easy. Very nice case. And again, folks, this is an ultra thin case. So, you know, there's no need to, if a person doesn't want to wear a case, this is the case for you. So this doesn't even feel like it's here. It's actually giving grip though, believe it or not, because the sides on this are that brushed feel, the brushed aluminum feel. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. And I'm glad I went with the black phone this time. Typically I don't, buy the black phones, but I wanted to feel how this one was. I'm glad I went with it. So you look on top here, you can see all the ports and everything are open properly. Look on the back here, you see the camera is nice and protected now. On this side here, the volume rocker and power button, the vibrate mute switch there, action key or whatever the name of the key is, and then all the ports on the bottom here. So a lot of people see me put these cases on, but they don't see me take them off very often in the video. So here's what I do. I get on the corners and just push up like that. It's very simple, folks. I mean, this has got to be the most simple case to get on and off. This actually feels better than some of the other ones, man. I'm not going to name the companies, but getting this one off is super easy. So I rest this finger here against the phone and then I push on both corners and then it just slides up. And that's why you need these little slits in here too to help get it on and off quicker. But there it is, man. What a beautiful case. Again, shout out to the folks over at ThinBorne for hooking it up. Appreciate you, Carl and Kathy. This is it. I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab yours. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.